Hi guys, I was just doing a bit more work on this bump and go toy car and I realised I hadn't been filming it, so I've had to backtrack a little bit. This is the headlight lens, I suppose you could call it. That's the light bulb that goes in the middle, and then the light from there comes out through both headlights. That bulb's actually gone. It's not an LED, it's a small light bulb, or filament bulb I suppose. This is the replacement that I'm going to use, which you'll see is virtually identical size, and that comes from this set of Christmas lights. And these are outdoor ones that I've just cropped one off. There's a fault in there somewhere, and rather than trying to find the fault, I'm just going to use these bulbs and the wire for any job that I need. In fact, that's been in that box probably for 2 years now, so this is the first time I've actually needed one of these bulbs. So I'll solder this where this one comes from and we'll see if it works. So I've just soldered the new bulb in place. That's nice and bright. And that goes in there. So we'll shut it back up again. Just goes in straight in there. Might put a little bit of hot glue on there at some time to hold it in place, but we'll just try it out first. It rather springs apart. I'll just use a bit of blue tack for now. There we go. So that was a success and very easy to fix. Right, one of the other things that would be nice would be if we could get the blue lights on the top shining. Now, I do have some flashing LEDs, or I could just use another one of those lights. It wouldn't be flashing, but at least it'd be bright blue. Obviously this will draw more current, so the battery won't last so long. Just try it, see what it looks like. I've got a nice blue flashing LED here that would be ideal, but we've got a problem. We're just not getting enough power from the existing batteries. So we've got the LED here, I've got a resistor in series with it. If I connect it straight across the battery, it flashes. But if I put the motor and the lights in circuit, there isn't enough current left, or enough power left, to light the LED. So I'll operate the switch just by shorting it out with the end of the crocodile clip. So on its own, light flashes. With the rest of it in circuit, not enough power. So we're a bit stuck really. It would be nice to use that, flashing, but I'd have to rig up some sort of either more powerful battery or some sort of circuitry that will run the LED separately. But just connecting it straight across the battery, well, along with the motor, there's not enough power to go round. So the easy fix there is probably to use yet another one of these, so we've got two bulbs up there. It's going to drain the battery fairly quickly, but we would have a nice bright blue light on top. So I think that's what I'll look at. We're in the kitchen, but I haven't got all the lights on so that we can see the lights on the car best. And we are asking rather a lot of those batteries to have 3 light bulbs in parallel. But we'll see how it goes. Jam there. Oh no, he got out on his own. Brilliant. Well, it looks prettier with the lights on, but I think that's draining the batteries already. Well, that'll do. I'm pleased with that. That's actually doing better than I expected. And it looks a lot prettier with all the lights on. Just a shame that they're not actually flashing on top. Yeah, I'll claim that as a partial success. Not total, but partial.